Movie moment.
Hey, Des.
Movie moment.
He's not drunk at all.
I'm just trying to make the movie cooler. Movie moment.
For a second.
Chasing Kenny
I know.
down an empty street. Get this fucker! Oh my god, road attack! No! No! But it sounds like save Desi! Let's run! Oh my god! Oh my god! What's going on? No! 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 Desi's running! Come on, guys! We gotta keep running! Come on! Come on! Come on, guys! Oh, watch out! Watch out! Oh my god, I don't know what's going on anymore. I don't know what's going on. Run! Oh, I should get it. We're attacked by monsters.
Monsters? What the fuck you
Keep running. Okay, let's stop it. That was good.
Des, you got injured? Yep.
Let's go.
Watch out for the cars! Cars!
No cars.
Watch out for the cars!
Cox?
Watch out for the cars!
Cox!
Watch out for the cars!
I don't want to go that long. I don't want to go that long.
Huh?